Sure, Audi have the Audi Side Assist option, but you are not sure how to activate or deactivate it? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate and deactivate the Audi Side Assist option and also how to change the brightness of the Audi Side Assist LED lights. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Audi Side Assist is a safety assist system that keeps an eye on the blind spots of your car. When it's not a good time to change lanes, an orange LED light comes on in the left or right door mirror. Radar sensors detect whether a vehicle is approaching next to your Audi and measures the distance and the difference in speed. But since Audi Side Assist is a safety assistance system, it is always essential to stay attentive and aware while driving to avoid any collision. But how to activate and deactivate the Side Assist option and how to change the brightness of the LED lights. To change the brightness of the LED lights, first start your Audi and go to the Audi MMI menu. Scroll down to Car. Click on Car Systems via this button. Scroll down to Driver Assist. Select Audi Side Assist. You can now change the brightness of the Side Assist LED lights. To activate or deactivate Audi Side Assist, you simply need to press the Side Assist button located on the driver's door. When Audi Side Assist is activated, a little red light within the Audi Side Assist button will light. Would you like to deactivate the Side Assist again? Simply press the Side Assist button again. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.